Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we dive into the best of the best tools, apps, and strategies to make your life easier and more productive. Today, we're taking a closer look at WinningHunter. Is it the tool you didn't know you needed? Let's jump right in. So, what is WinningHunter? Well, it's a platform designed to help you discover the most lucrative online opportunities like job listing, freelance gigs, and even investment chances that can really put your skills to work. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or just looking for some side hustle income, Winning Hunter could be your ticket to success. Winning Hunter's interface is super user friendly, making it simple to navigate with its intuitive search and filtering tools. You can find exactly what you're looking for in seconds. What sets Winning Hunter apart is its comprehensive range of categories, from remote work and freelance gigs to investment opportunities. It has something for everyone, plus, the platform provides detailed insights and reviews from real users, so you know which opportunities are worth your time. One of my favorite features is the personalized dashboard. It keeps you updated on the newest opportunities tailored specifically to your interest and experience level. It's like having a career coach in your pocket. But is it worth the investment? If you're serious about finding quality work and staying ahead of the competition, Winning Hunter offers a solid return. It's especially helpful for those who struggle to find reliable sources for freelance work or new job opportunities. So there you have it. Winning Hunter could be a game changer if you're ready to elevate your online career or income streams. But remember, like any tool, your success will depend on how you use it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.